Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how much Jollibee bucket meals typically cost. We'll go over the different sizes and what's usually included, helping you understand the value. You'll also learn the best ways to find the most up-to-date prices, ensuring you get the best deal for your next delicious Jollibee feast. Let's dive right in and explore the world of Jollibee bucket meals. Jollibee bucket meals are designed for sharing, usually featuring 6, 8, or 10 pieces of their iconic chicken joy. Beyond the crispy, juicy chicken, these meals often come with popular sides such as jolly spaghetti, steamed rice, golden fries, or creamy mashed potatoes. For bigger gatherings, some family and party buckets even include refreshing drinks and delightful peach mango pies, offering a complete and satisfying meal experience for everyone. The price of a Jollibee bucket meal can vary, but generally, a 6-piece chicken joy bucket might cost around $15 to $25 or 600 to 800 Philippine pesos. For larger options, like 10 or 12-piece buckets and comprehensive family meal deals, expect to pay between $25 and $40 or 1,000 to 1,300 Philippine pesos. Remember, these prices can fluctuate based on your specific location and any ongoing promotions. To get the most accurate and current pricing for Jollibee bucket meals, your best bet is to check the official Jollibee website or their mobile application. You can also visit your nearest Jollibee store in person or give them a call directly for the latest information. While online food delivery platforms like DoorDash or Foodpanda also display prices, be aware that these might include extra service or delivery fees.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.